Bomb. So cute. Today I'm going to show you how to slay the easy way. Today we're going to be doing a straight headband wig, you guys. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Here is the packaging, and then we're going to go right into it. Ooh, the hair feels, girl, I believe this is 20 inches straight. So we have the straps, we have the combs on the inside, 3. This is the nape of it. Okay, put the combs in. Okay, first of all, this hair feels beautiful. Bomb. This hair feels amazing. This is so cute. I'm feeling this leopard. So cute. And this wig is like really full. Really full. The hair is so pretty. Bomb. Bomb. I feel like it's very affordable. The hair is luxury hair, but it's very affordable. Y'all know I'm only gonna tell y'all about good hair, bomb hair. We are not playing, okay? Good hair that's gonna last. It's gonna be nice. This is the perfect wig for working out. Like, I wear my wigs every I would say every couple days. It's popping. Okay, you guys, that really concludes today's video. Just quick, showing you guys like how to quickly do your hair in like 5 minutes. I am wearing the unit from LuvmeHair. I just cannot stop touching it because this hair is just so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. It's not stiff, it's silky, it's everything. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video.